we have got a roundabout coming up. I would like you to follow the roundabout ahead. Second exit going towards Choli. Do you understand my instruction? Okay. Are you okay to do this by yourself?
Yes.
So your lane discipline, like a moon crescent, mirrors and signal, everything by yourself. Okay.
That's slowly. Where's that signal? I'm a bit confused.
Cancel, stop.
I'm a bit
Cancel
confused
your
with that.
signal. It's okay. Go straight. Where's the second? Yeah, keep going now. Where's the count? The exit? Exit number?
1.
We're going ahead. So mirrors and signal down.
Okay.
And then when we were approaching the roundabout, I give you very clear instructions. Do you remember what was my instructions on that roundabout?
Yes.
What was it?
When we are approaching the roundabout, when you approach get to the roundabout, we are continuing ahead. But then I saw the roundabout on this side, and I was a bit confused because we're heading that side.
So when you were approaching the roundabout, did you saw anything else?
No, I saw the road markings in Crawley.
You
But
saw
I second guessed myself. That's
You
why.
second.
Yeah.
Because the left lane you were on, how many arrows were painted on there? Did you notice?
That's my lane, and there's a bus on the side.
So you have the arrow two. There was 2 arrows on your lane. One is going straight, second exit, and one is going left towards McDonald's and Aldi.
Okay.
Yeah, but on the right lane there was only 1 arrow going right. But the word you need to understand. This is why the sat nav going to be important and examine these instructions. I did say to you, next roundabout coming up, I would like you to go ahead or for the roundabout ahead. Ahead means
Straight.
ahead.
Yeah.
If I want you to go left, I would have said to you, next roundabout, turn left, first exit. That means there's a turn left in there, or first exit normally there. If I say to you, next roundabout, I would like you to go ahead, first exit, that means your first exit is where? But I said ahead.
Ahead, sorry.
Because people get confused, Arun. They think that first exit is always on your
Start that
left.
one, yeah.
But what if there is no left turning? It's only straight.
Straight
That
ahead.
means ahead. But if there is a left turning there, my instruction will be next roundabout, turn left, first exit. There is a turn left word in there. Same thing again. If I want you to go right, for example, let's say first exit is there, right, second exit is there, but there is no exit on there. My instruction will be next roundabout, go right at the roundabout, second exit, or go right at the roundabout, third exit. Now because the word right comes in, and we know the left lane is only going straight or left, you have to be on a which lane then?
Right. Sorry.
So you came in correctly, but then you start signaling right. Now you have taken a risk that time. I have to stop you. So you're in a left lane, which can only go
Straight ahead.
or
to your left.
but then you decided to
Indicate to go.
and then go where?
To the right. Yeah.
Now, do you think that anybody who in the right lane, where you think they will be looking when they're merging out? Would they be looking at
No,
us?
they will be looking at their
Now,
right.
the next thing they know that they're pulling out looking there, and then
And
you
you come
coming,
here.
and what will going to happen?
Collision, yeah.
Whose fault would that be?
Mine.
Now, if you're not sure in that situation, next time, what is the best thing to do?
Stop. Go slow.
Or
Ask.
continue in the
Okay,
same
okay,
direction,
okay.
continue straight. What will happen in your, let's say you're in a motorway or you're doing your test, you're supposed to go right on the roundabout, but you're in the wrong lane and there's nobody giving it away.
Continue straight.
Continue straight, go around and come back the next one.
Okay.
Is that safer or risk going in there?
Safer.
That's what we're going to be doing. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes